Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Kids Corner. Today's video is about rectilinear figure. To understand rectilinear figure, first we have to understand the plane curve. Children, if we take a pen, a pencil or a chalk and put it on any plane surface like paper, board, and we start making shapes without lifting our hand, the shapes so formed are called as plane curve. On the screen, you can see some of these figures which are made without lifting the hand. Plane curve is broadly classified into two types: open curve and closed curve. Open curve are those shapes whose starting point and ending point does not meet each other, whereas closed curve are those shapes whose ending point and starting point do meet each other. If the open curve does not cross each other, then they are called as simple open curve. In the same way, if closed curve does not cross each other, they are called as simple closed figure. Now let us see about rectilinear figure. Rectilinear figure can be open, can be closed. The only condition it should satisfy that it should be made up of lines. Here you can see open figure as well as closed figure. All are rectilinear figure because they are made up of lines. Now let's learn about polygon. A figure can be called as polygon when it is a closed figure. That means its starting point and ending point meet each other. They don't cross each other. That means there should not be any crossover of lines. And lastly, they should be made up of only and only lines. Therefore, you can say every polygon is a rectilinear figure, or you can say it is a subset, that is a small part of the rectilinear figure, because it has all the properties of rectilinear figure. But all rectilinear figure can be called as polygon? No, because rectilinear figure can be a closed figure or can be an open figure, and we know that open rectilinear figure cannot be said as a polygon. Every polygon is allotted different name based on the number of sides present in them. Some of them are listed below. If it has 3 sides, it is called as triangle. 4 side, quadrilateral. 5-sided figure is called as pentagon. 6 side is a hexagon. 7-sided figure is a heptagon, and 8 is an octagon. 9-sided polygon is called as nonagon, and 10-sided is called as decagon. Now let's learn about some important fragments of polygon. First one is the sides. The line segment who makes a polygon are called its sides. The changing color on the screen you can see are the sides of the polygon. Second one is the vertices. Vertices are the intersection point of two consecutive sides. The arrow on the screen indicates the vertices of the polygon. Third one is the interior angle. Oftenly it is also called as angle. Angle is formed by two consecutive sides of the polygon. You can see the angle formed on the screen in red color. Fourth one is the diagonal. Diagonal is also a line segment, but it joins two non-consecutive vertices of the polygon. The green color line segment in the screen are the diagonals of the polygon. Now there are two types of polygon based on their interior angle. First one is the convex polygon. These polygons all the interior angle is less than 180 degree. You can see in the figure all the angles in the given polygon is less than 180 degree. Hence, it is a convex polygon. And the second one is the concave polygon. In concave polygon, one or more interior angle is more than 180 degree. As you can see in the figure, the pink color arrow represents interior angle which is more than 180 degree. These polygon also called as rectilinear polygon. Let's learn about the exterior angle of the convex polygon. Here, angle B is the exterior angle of the given pentagon and angle A is the interior angle. Exterior angle and its adjacent interior angle makes a line. That means if you add the measures of both the angle, it will be 180 degree. So from the figure, angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. And this is true for all convex polygon. What is a regular polygon? A polygon whose all the sides are equal in length is called as regular polygon. That means if the measure of one side is 5 cm, then remaining all the side will be 5 cm. All interior angles are equal. That means all the interior angles are of same measure. Say if any one angle is x degree, then remaining all the interior angle will be x degree. All exterior angle are equal. Again, it means that all the exterior angle are of same measure. Say if any one of the exterior angle is y degree, then remaining all the exterior angle of the given polygon will be y degree. Some examples of the regular polygons are equilateral triangle, square, regular hexagon, and so on. Hope you understood all the content discussed over here. Thank you.